wuxi ZHONGHUI Wire and Cable Company, Limited, was established in 2001. Located in the national-level xishan Economic and Technological Development Zone, Wuxi City, Jiangsu Province. The company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949 certification. The company is engaged in R&D, production and sales of EV charging cables, EV high voltage cables, automotive wires, EV plugs, power cords, solar cables, wind power cables, battery cable, energy storage cable, UL series high temperature resistant wire, welding cable, motor lead wire, water resistance waterproof rubber cable, drag chain cable, flexible cable and other high-end performance equipment wire and cable. Our company is equipped with a full set of product testing equipment and environmental testing equipment, and the company's laboratory has been certified by TÜV Rheinland and has been approved as an authorized laboratory. There are many testers such as inductively coupled plasma emission spectrometer, wire 2D torsion tester, wire 3D torsion tester, wire vertical torsion tester, wire rapid bending tester, flexible cable flexing tester, wire drag chain bending tester, wire bending rotation tester, wire bending tester, electrical power cord swing tester, ventilation aging box, precision aging tester, combustion tester, thermal aging test chamber, text blow wire tester, etc. The power cord certifications include VDE, GS, UL, CUL, ETL, ASTA, NF, CEVEC, KEMA, KEUR, NEMKO, DEMKO, FIMKO, SEMKO, S+, SAA, KC, SABS, SMARC, GCC, INMETRO, etc. EV plugs, EV charging cable, wind power cable, battery cable, energy storage cable, welding cable are all certified by TÜV Rheinland. Solar cables are certified by TÜV and UL. UL series cables have passed UL certification, and European series cables have passed TÜV, VDE, SAA, KC certifications.